You will get this link for your online to fill online form, timefy.me. So when you will click on this link, you will get this practice paper. You have to click on open the form. You can see this button over here. So you have to click on this open the form. So when you will click this button open the form, a new tab will open. And this form is time bound. It means you are having a limited time, 25 minutes to fill up this form. You can also increase the form or time when you will prepare the test paper for the students. Now in this, at the bottom you will find open the link button, but since you are not getting open the link button over here, you will find it over here, somewhere here. But in this form there is no button, so what you have to do, click on sign in with Google. So you have to click on this button, sign in with Google. So when you will click on sign in with Google, a new tab will open over here, Google account. But you don't have to open the Google account, just come back to timefy.me. So you have to come back to timefy.me, just click over here. Now you find this, you can see this button over here, open the link. So click on the button, open the form, and then you can start your work. So when you will click on this button, open the form button, your time will start. So this is the procedure for opening. If you don't know how to open the link, so let me tell you again. You don't have to click on these buttons over here, the Google form. You don't have to log in. I'm telling you the procedure again. Okay, let's go back. So click on timefy.me. This is the link that I have provided you. So click on this link. So when you click on the link, you will get this form. Open the form. Click on the button. Open the form. So when you click on the button, open the form. This form will open. And then if you want to start the exam, just click on sign in with Google. Just click on sign in with Google. So when you sign in with Google, don't have to sign in, just have to click on that sign in option, this option, the sign in option, click on it, and next time again come back to timefy.me. You will get this button over here, open the form. So now you can start your work. Click on the form and your time will start. So you have to be in this form only. If you will open some other form in the server, I will know that you have opened some other page also. All the detail will be available with me. It means the time in which you have opened, since you have already responded. So you can fill out this form only once. I have already filled this form, so I can't open it again.